everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hi, my name is Lillian. I do videos on makeup, K-pop, and anything random that manages to catch my attention. Today we are going to do an ASMR unboxing of Youngjae's A Lazy Sunday, or The Lazy Sunday Season's Greetings. I know I'm super late. I still have another one. I still have Bam Bams that I need to open, so just bear with me. This is a little perfume sachet packet thing. I do like that it did come with a perfume. I don't know, there's something about being able to have a scent associated with something. JV's also did have a scent, though there was no perfume packet like there is for Youngjae's. But I did like it. I did appreciate it. It will stay in the box, so it can, anytime I open the box, it'll smell. Also, we do get these little clear photo cards that are really cute. I do like them. How do you display these? How? Do you still put them in a sleeve? I need to know. This is super cute though. I love it. It's adorable. And I don't know. I like it. It's cute. I wish there were clear PCs that you would see more often instead of the original photo cards that we get in albums. I don't know. It's something different. It's kind of like BI's deck of cards for his photo shoot. I love a good memo pad. These are cute. I do like the quality of these. These are cute. I think what would have been nicer would have been if they would have added maybe another 2 photos just to have it vary a little. But I do think it's adorable. I think it's cute. I like it. And it's a thick pack, so. And this is the agenda. Who uses... Do people really use these agendas? I feel like I wouldn't want to get them dirty or ruined. But that's just me. Honestly, I should use them. It's just paper. But there's something about it being in a season's greetings and it having pictures. I don't know. I think from a collector's point of view, like, why would you use it? But at the same time, from someone who's practical, you should use it, right? Maybe I'm not practical enough. Maybe it's too much of a collector mindset. But this is beautiful. I love this. And I like that it has read out dates. I don't know. I always think it's cool. And it also kind of, it's not, because it's not only holidays. Or if there's holidays. I think these are special dates to him. And I guess what would be his fandom. And then we get the regular photo cards. Here I kind of messed up because I didn't realize that I was being a dodo head and skipping one card completely. But you can kind of see it in the back when I put it back there. Sorry. I think I did this during my lunch break too, which might have been why I was trying to go through everything a little bit quicker. But I love that everything has a signature, has a little message. I think it's cute. There we go. You do see the front card. Okay, cool. I was like, oh no, when I was editing and looking through the footage. And as always, I love stickers. I love this. I think this is awesome. I love his little drawings. it works. Oh, and that was a film strip. That's also stickers. Anyway, here is his little photo book. Which I love, and I like that they did play with the size of the picture. Not everything is taking up the entire page, so I did like that. I think what's really nice about Season's Greetings is definitely the calendars. I think, you know, that's why you buy them, and just the fact that they have the portraits of the artists on them. The only thing, this is my only thing, is if it's supposed to stand, you're either getting the portrait or you're getting the calendar. Because if I put it on my desk, I'm getting one or the other. So you're not getting both. I don't know if there would be a way to fix that and still have it be super functional and working, but it was just something that I noticed, and for me, which is why I don't really use the calendar, because I'm like, I would have to choose one or the other. And also, I never know what day it is. My job requires me to know what day it is. The date, never. I need to look down at the little clock thing to know. So if I use the photo, it's almost not functional. It's like having posters on your wall, and I don't have posters of artists on my wall, and I'm very particular about that. Even where I have all my albums, it's done in a sort of way where the album is what's being shown, not so much photo cards or anything. So there needs to be a way to make this functional, and it doesn't feel like you have to choose one or the other. But that's just me. That's just how what I've come to notice. And then a Lazy Sunday poster. And I like that. It's small. It's not overbearing. It's cute. This was done really, really well. It's very minimalistic. It has two main colors to the scheme of the Season's Greetings. And then it does play with other supporting colors, but they're all within the pastel scheme. And I do enjoy it. I do very much enjoy this color scheme. Also, something that I've noticed is Youngjae also used yellow. His yellow is less vibrant. It's a lot more soothing and calming, I feel like, than JB's, but I did enjoy it, and I did catch that. So this was the ASMR unboxing of Youngjae's The Lazy Sunday. I hope you enjoyed it. Please comment, subscribe, like my videos, follow me on all my other social media, and until next time, bye.